This video it will show you step by step how you can download CapCut to your laptop or to your PC for free just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, guys, so let's get started. So what you will do to download CapCut to your laptop, just open your Google homepage like this. Go to your Google or any browser that you are using and click on the search and search for CapCut download PC, okay, like this. So you should find this website in the search results of Google, okay? CapCut.com. CapCut desktop download procreation in minutes, okay? Click on the first link like this and it's gonna take you to this page over here of CapCut website, okay? What you will do next, you just need to click over here on download for free, okay? And this CapCut will be download to your laptop. Then you can go and click on the file of this CapCut. Then CapCut app will be installed in your laptop and you can go and start using CapCut to edit your videos and make them good videos, okay? That's how we can download and install CapCut in your laptop. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.